I know you take up this one during your math. So, sama lang math, be. Kana siya, ibugaton o kagaman. Or that is what we call in the video happy and math. Okay, when we say happy, in our dialect, sama na siya. Math. Okay. Can you give me an example of a happy object? Yes. Okay, hammer. Huh? What is the example we have? What is that? Pizza. Ano ba yung hammer in our dialect? Cementerio. What is it? Martilyo, huh? Yes, so what is it? Kung sa sa English, ang aeroplano. Okay, we also have airplane. Airplane is heavy or light? Heavy. Pencil, very good. Paper. So, pencil and paper. What else?